Police in Marondera are investigating a case of suspected murder, which occurred in Chirutambo, on 6 August, where a couple 20 and 41 years old secretly buried their daughter 1 year along Ruzawi River. The duo fought whilst the child was strapped to the woman's back 1st of August and the child became sick afterwards. The parents took her to a local clinic before going to a traditional healer and she died. Police received information on the secret burial and exhumed the body for post-mortem. Police confirms a fatal RTA accident which occurred at 121 km Peg along Harare Nyamaponda Road on 8 August, where 3 family members were killed and 4 others were injured after a silver Honda Fit vehicle they were traveling in burst its rear right tire and overturned. Meanwhile, the deceased have been identified as Catherine Karidza 87 years old, Tinashe Vamber 24 years old and Mababa Chawara 51 years old, all of Chawazarira village, Mutoko. The Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms the arrest of Stephen Kelvin 29 years old, Mapfumo Kudakwashe 27 years old and Mashangini Anthony 40 years old in connection with a case of armed robbery which occurred at Village 5 Bihini Junction, Fort Rixon on 5 August. The suspects, together with 2 others still on the run, stormed a home armed with knives, iron bars and machetes before attacking 2 women. They stole property valued at $4,480 which they loaded in a Nissan Caravan vehicle A4548. The vehicle later developed a fault near Ntabazinduna tollgate, Bulawayo, leading to their arrest. On 7 August, police in Gowanda recorded a mine accident which occurred at High Standard Mine, Gowanda. A mine worker slipped from a pulley and fell into a shaft. The victim sustained serious head injuries and was ferried to Gowanda Provincial Hospital where he later died. Investigations are underway. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is warning criminals targeting national infrastructure such as copper cables and other essential equipment. On 6 August, police in Mwanezi arrested 4 suspects including 3 juveniles for theft of copper cables in Rutenga. Police in Concession are investigating circumstances surrounding a case of murder which occurred on 7 August at Mashadik Farm. A man 60 years old fatally struck his son 35 years old with a sharp metal bar and an axe after an argument over meal. In a related case, police in Fig Tree arrested Marvelous Nube 34 years old for murder in which a man 43 years old died on admission at United Bulawayo Hospital after he was hit by the suspect with a log on 6 August following an argument over beer and money. On 7 August, 2 people were killed in a road traffic accident which occurred at the 75 km Peg along Harare Mukambura Road. A motorist driving a Toyota Dyna truck with 1 passenger on board encroached into the opposite lane, resulting in a head-on collision with a motorist driving a Mercedes-Benz 8-ton truck with 1 passenger on board. The bodies of the deceased were conveyed to Bandura Hospital mortuary for post-mortem while the injured were admitted at the same hospital.